Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Angela Jean Peñaranda Almagro. I'm 34 years old and I'm married. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and also I have a 6 months course of caregiving.
Okay, so do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In the Philippines.
How long did you work in the Philippines?
I worked for 3 years.
3 years. So your first employer, what are your duties and responsibilities?
I took care of their children.
Okay, so how old is the children?
One newborn and one 3 years.
3 years old.
Yeah.
How many are they in the family?
Four.
4. Okay, so in your second employer, you work in the hospital, right? As nursing aide, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you take care elderly, baby, all of the above, right?
Yes.
So what do you do in the hospital?
Specifically, as a nursing aide, I assist the nurse in taking care of the patients.
Okay, so until now you still working there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what do you want to take care, newborn or children?
Newborn and children.
Newborn and children. So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
Yes, ma'am. Caregiver.
Okay.
Caregiving and seat.
Okay, have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Aside from high salary, I wanted to work in Hong Kong to have a better life for me and for my parents.
Okay, thank you.